business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate and love you guys. Y'all, I got so many orders. I got so many orders that we are doing, and I appreciate all of the support. Also, if you haven't already, if you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Guys, today, this video warms my heart because this is exactly what I am striving to make everyone experience. And I got this amazing message from a customer, and I really want to share it with you guys. And I also want to share another order I'm about to do. Currently, this order is going to be randomly chosen in 1 second for me to package somebody else's product box. And I want you guys to really embrace the fact that you have your income in your hands. The money that you guys are going to be making is in your hands. You just have to understand that you can obtain it. If you have that fear, if you're watching this video and you are just starting to look into reselling and you have that fear of, oh, I don't want to lose my money. I want to invest my money, but I want to make guaranteed money back. We all want to make guaranteed money back. The best way for you to ensure that you're making guaranteed money back is by investing in assets. Assets are tangible items that you know are always going to have some type of value. I'm not asking people to believe and ignore fear of them going out and investing $400 into somebody's course that is teaching them something they can easily find. Like it's literally you guys getting things. Like you can pay 50 cents for this, and what I sell it for in my store, $10. Like this aux cord, how many people do y'all know that ride around in a car and maybe they do have an older car that uses the aux cord and they need an aux cord and they're so desperate looking all around, and you be like, yo bro, listen man, I got the aux cord right here, you know what I mean, $10, and they're gonna pay it, guys. So it's just all about understanding how to make sure you're putting your money in the right thing. You're putting your money in things that are going to last. And I'm telling y'all, this stuff lasts and this stuff makes you a great amount of money. You just have to believe in yourself. So first, let's get into the text that I got from this lady. I had to go get my phone. I'm gonna sit down for this one. And don't mind if y'all hear my dog. My dog's name is Hustle, and he's out here just acting like a puppy. The puppy he is. All right. So, guys, the text reads, and I appreciate you, and I will not be leaking out your private information. I won't, I promise you, but I do want to share this with you guys. Hello, I just want to, and this was at 10:14 today, a.m. Hello, I just want to give you feedback on the wholesale product box that I purchased on May 22nd. In a matter of 7 days, I was able to sell all products in the box and make a total of $434 from MERCARI and eBay. I will definitely be ordering another one, but I did want to give you your credit and thank you for the videos. I love the results from the Type-C adapters as well, and I fully am starting to understand how to get over the fear, but also put in the work and remain confident. Thank you so much, and look forward to my next order. Y'all, that stuff, it makes my day, because my main purpose with this is not to misguide you guys, but instead put you guys on to something that I've been doing and seeing results, and as organic as possible do it. And it's just amazing because it's just working. Like, that's it, it's just working. And I'm still learning. I'm still learning the social media stuff. I'm still learning how to orchestrate my business online. I'm still learning things, but I'm glad that I can impact people and help people. and watch the results, because I get results all the time in my DM and stuff, but it's just amazing. And I just want to thank you guys again. So with that being said, we are going to be choosing someone else's product box. So I am going to, right now I've inserted the order numbers in this randomizer. I just got to get to the randomizer. Once I get to the randomizer, then we will be okay. So I'm just gonna say the order number. So order number 1076. You are the person I will be doing a product box for. So 1076. I don't know if I should say your name, but I just say this. Jay, I got you, man. I got you. All right, so we about to go do Jay's product box. Let's get it. All right, guys, so one of my favorite new products that we do have that we are putting in the product box is going to be our 6-foot cord. So a lot of people, they lay by their beds or they lay on the couch and they want a long charging cord. So I like to sell these, guys. I like to also sell these in a, come here, Hustle, in a 3-pack. Sell them in a 3-pack because it sells really good. I sell these for like $17 in a 3-pack. So you will be getting it. Boom. All right, so another product that I really like is the USB-C to Lightning, of course. So I'm gonna give you 10 of these, 10 of the USB to Lightning cords. Then of course, the privacy glass. These are good sellers as well, especially if you put them in a bundle, especially if you put them on Amazon, maybe eBay, but also MERCARI. You can put them on whatever, and you guys will make money. Guys, my dog is acting crazy. He's literally sitting there trying to mess with my business. That's a projector for a meeting. Hey. Then I'm gonna put 3 adapters, guys. So these nice, beautiful adapters, of course, for our 6-foot cables. Okay, we're gonna put 5 of these in there. Oh. I gotta organize this right. We might need another box. So another addition is the Supreme cases, guys. We're adding new things weekly, guys. As we continue to progress within our business, we are adding. We're not just staying stagnant. You order our product box 3 times, you're getting 3 different assortments and 3 different things, so you can continue to expand your market, guys. So we're gonna add these as well. They all fell down. Listen, I'm gonna have to package these in. Sheesh. Actually, I gotta go to my store. I gotta get you a bigger box because we're gonna actually throw in something else. We're gonna actually be throwing in, so we're gonna be throwing in a car mount. Okay, this is a clip car mount, magnetic. A lot of people like this, especially because it's magnetic and it charges. What you gonna sell this for? You can sell this for $15, $20. I'm telling you, they sell. You know what, guys? This camera's acting funny. I'm gonna throw in the R2 car charger as well. This is a car charging clip. So this thing is nice. This thing is nice. And it also is a really good seller when it comes to eBay. So check this out. This is really awesome in my store. Sell this for 15. You can sell it for higher. It's really, 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 really a good seller. So I'm telling you guys right now, we hooking them up. Then we need the Apple Watch charger. Then the headphones. Portable charger. Charging case as well. Charging case as well. Then we got a travel adapter kit right here as well. This is going in there too. Last but not least, I'm putting 3 of these in there. These are adapters that help your phone connect to your TV. These are really lit. All right, guys, so I just got done shipping all of the products out. Me and my son just got water ice after the post office. But we ended up packaging all the products, went to the stores, got other boxes that they packaged up and dropped them off. I can't wait until you guys get the product boxes. Continue to text me your results. I had to share with you guys this one because this was more descriptive than I think a lot of the different feedback I got. And I'm really excited to just see the results that you guys get with the product box. So if you are interested in the product box, it is going to be on IamHustlersMindset.com. Wholesale product box, you get 42 products, only 140. Only 140, and I'm I'm just excited for this journey for a lot of people. A lot of people are becoming resellers because they're starting to see that they can do it. Again, there's nobody that can stop you, and there's nobody that is special. You know, we're all the same, and you guys can get the same success that everybody else gets. You just have to make sure that you are willing to put in the time, willing to make it work, and appreciate the process. Again, not the result. Appreciate the process, because the process is hard, but once you get there, it's so fulfilling. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm about to upload this, try to take an hour break and get back to work. Peace.